Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar Mahapatra welcome you all to your channel The Utkal Investor. It was in the early 90s that the government of India decided to use the coastal plains of our country for the development of aquaculture. These areas were lying useless but had a great potential for aquaculture. Looking at this intent of the government, renowned industrialist Sri Alluri Venkateswara Rao understood that there will be a huge requirement of feeds for the growth of prawns and fishes. So he decided to enter into the feeds business. Thus Avanti Feed was founded. Avanti closely worked with the farmers, asking them for inputs regarding which feed would be better for the growth of shrimps and prawns. Production planning was done according to the inputs of the farmers, and therefore the business grew tremendously over the years. Avanti Feed is the market leader in the feeds segment with 45% market share in India. The company is also involved in the export of processed shrimp. Now, how does it work? Avanti provides feeds to the farmers. Along with that, the technical know-how support regarding the shrimp production. With these helps, the farmers are able to increase their production. Then Avanti buys these shrimps from the farmers at a better price than what the farmers were getting in the open market. Then the company processes these shrimps, package it and export it to other countries. For this segment of the business, the company has tied up with Thai Union Frozen Products, the largest seafood manufacturer in the world, having feed mill and prawn hatchery in Thailand. Thai Union is associated with Avanti with equity participation, technical collaboration and marketing tie-up in India. With the help of the Thai Union, Avanti has increased its revenue share in the processed shrimp business to 20% of the overall revenue in the company, and the company targets to increase this share of the business even more because this segment has higher profit margin than the feeds business. Earlier, the company used to export it only to the US, but to mitigate the risk, the company has started exporting to the countries like Japan, Korea, Middle East and European countries as well. The third segment on which the company is now working is hatchery. This segment is still in the development phase. Now let us look at what kind of returns the company has given in the past and what the potential it has to give in the future. 1 lakh invested in Avanti in 2010 is now valued around, just guess how much it could be, 3 crores. A massive 300 times returns, and Avanti is the largest multi-bagger in the Indian stock exchange in the last decade. The company has been a consistent performer over the years, barring 2018 and 19 financial year due to sharp fluctuations in the shrimp prices. Of late, the shrimp prices have stabilized as per the commentary of the company. As we all know that the income statement in the Q4 of FY20 for most companies has been bleeding. But in such difficult and challenging times, Avanti has been a star performer. They have grew the sales by 20% in this period and the profit by 29%. As I was recording this video, the stock of the company was trading at 20 times earnings and 4.5 times the book value, and the debt to equity ratio for the company is 0. It's a debt free company. So from valuation and operational perspective, the company is a wonderful buy. But from the broader market point of view, as the market is rallying blindly irrespective of the weak fundamentals, lump sum investment in the market right now is not advisable. Investors can accumulate this stock gradually over a certain period with a long-term view. The company has the potential to give the similar kind of returns what it has given over the last decade. To get more such analysis, do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye and take care.